Driving around Bennettsville some more, coming from the cemetery, Sunset Memorial, and the gnats were tearing me up, and fire ants all over the place. And that's the thing, you get all the bugs when you come back to Tim Blue's old house. And you come back to Carolina's big mansion back there. Oh, here, I'm gonna do that. Show you guys the post office. Street. bypass, 938. Marlboro County back there. Pizza Time, which used to be Tasty Freeze. Tasty Freeze had some really good hamburgers, man. They were just melting in your mouth. They were just little thin hamburgers. And then they also sold Stanton barbecue sandwiches there, which is really good, so you didn't have to go all the way. This guy playing banjo walking down the street. Look at that. Now, this ain't the hillbilly area, like, you know, up in Maggie Valley and Ashville and stuff, up in the North Carolina mountains. This is the PD area, and this guy walking down the street playing a banjo. That's a trip. By my cousin's shop, see if he's there. My cousin Duck, James Pamel. They called him Duck because his hair was like really white blonde, like a duck. So, even as a child. ghetto ass KFC right there. Where Harry Hollis worked at. I tried, my man. Maybe when I'm coming back from this guy. Should I go down to Fowler's Trailer Park? I went down there before. Go down Salem Road. Firestone. Oh shit. I'm here. Might as well, right? Firestone. When I was a kid, this is kind of the rough boys. Oh, there's one of the old. I can see them. Yeah. Down here, play around with these boys. We had all the muscle cars. And this area here, when the Firestone plant opened, they had these little houses for their workers, and my dad actually grew up in one of these houses. Him and his 6 other brothers and sisters. They had 7 kids, mom and dad, in one little house, and it was like they had like 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms. I think it was 2 bedrooms, like one for mom, dad, and the whole family, and they were sleeping in the living room and stuff. There is BK's Grocery. It's still BK's Grocery. Oh my God. And right up here was my cousin's house. Right here. That was it. Road and whatever the hell is up here. There's still people living up in this motherfucker. This was all farmland right here. Now there's houses. Yeah, right here. Man, holy shit, that old ass fucking trailer there. That's crazy. I don't know that way.